Hey friends, I'm making a pizza tonight. I just got some regular old pizza crust, some pepperoni, pineapple, olives, some cheese, and I'm gonna make my own marinara sauce. Let's get started. Pan's getting warm. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Over here we have our tomatoes. Usually I would boil these and then stick them in hot water to peel them, but these are ripe and soft enough right from the garden. I would just cut a slit in the bottom and peel the skins off. Last night I used all the tomato paste. I usually use the tomato paste to thicken it up. I'm gonna try and use a little tomato sauce. Probably be a bit runny still, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in and simmer that while we get the pizza started. How's that looking, America? Is that a nice angle, America? Comment down below. So here's some nice pizza dough I got. Can you see it, friends? It says preheat, unroll, create, bake. There you go. That was easy. No time to create. Here's our pasta sauce. I'm gonna add some pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. Just use these and cut the olives. I'll be right back. Half pineapple. And we've got this pepperoni. Alright, it's going in we'll check it in 15 minutes. See you in 15. Just came out on the deck to get a shot of the deer. Hi, deer. Hi.
Eliza, dude?
Yeah. Eliza, get the last. Good job, Eliza. Yeah.
That's sharp.
Careful. Good job.
Okay, natural.
Alright, and now it's almost time to check the pizza.
Yep, this one goes, yep. It looks
This
like
says 1 minute.
those are all the same.
Let's see.
That one's the same as that one.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Hot. Oh, she's hot.
I have my assistant. He's going to take it out.
Ooh, it's looking pretty good.
Alright. It's ready! Alright friends, grab a plate and help yourself. Thanks for watching, friends. Hi! Look at the baby!
Hi, baby!